Heat engines are fascinating devices that power our modern world. From the car that drives us to work to the power plants that generate electricity, heat engines are everywhere. In this video, we'll explore how these remarkable machines convert thermal energy into useful mechanical work by exploiting temperature differences. Let's dive into the world of thermodynamics and understand the principles that make heat engines possible. A heat engine is a device that converts thermal energy into mechanical work. The key principle is simple yet powerful. By exploiting temperature differences, these engines can transform heat into useful motion. Think of it as an energy converter that takes in heat and outputs work. This conversion process is fundamental to countless applications in our daily lives, from transportation to electricity generation. Every heat engine consists of three essential components. First, the hot reservoir acts as a high-temperature heat source that supplies thermal energy. Second, the working substance is a fluid, often steam or gas, that carries this energy through the system. Third, the cold reservoir serves as a low-temperature heat sink that absorbs the rejected heat. These three components work together in a continuous cycle to produce mechanical work. Let's understand how energy flows through a heat engine. Heat, denoted as Q sub H, is absorbed from the hot reservoir at temperature T sub H. This heat enters the engine where a portion is converted into useful work. The remaining heat, Q sub C, is then expelled to the cold reservoir at the lower temperature T sub C. This continuous flow of energy from hot to cold, with work extraction in between, is the fundamental cycle of every heat engine. The heart of heat engine operation lies in a simple equation. The useful work W produced by the engine equals the difference between the heat absorbed Q sub H and the heat rejected Q sub C. In other words, work equals Q sub H minus Q sub C. Not all the absorbed heat becomes work. Some must be rejected to the cold reservoir. This is a fundamental limitation imposed by the laws of thermodynamics. How do we measure how well a heat engine performs? We use thermal efficiency, represented by the Greek letter eta. Efficiency is the ratio of work output to heat input. Mathematically, eta equals W divided by Q sub H, which can also be written as 1 minus Q sub C divided by Q sub H. An important reality: efficiency is always less than 100%. No heat engine can convert all input heat into work. Some heat must always be rejected. Now let's meet the theoretical ideal, the Carnot engine. This is a reversible heat engine conceived by French physicist Sadi Carnot. While it cannot exist in reality, it represents perfection in heat engine design. The Carnot engine establishes the maximum possible efficiency for any heat engine operating between two given temperatures. No real engine can surpass this theoretical limit, making it a fundamental benchmark in thermodynamics. The Carnot efficiency has a remarkably simple formula. Eta Carnot equals 1 minus T sub C divided by T sub H here. T sub H is the absolute temperature of the hot reservoir in Kelvin, and T sub C is the absolute temperature of the cold reservoir, also in Kelvin. Notice that efficiency depends only on these two temperatures. This formula tells us the theoretical maximum efficiency possible for any heat engine operating between these temperatures. Two crucial insights emerge from our understanding of heat engines. First, a greater temperature difference between the hot and cold reservoirs leads to higher efficiency. This is why power plants strive to operate at very high temperatures. Second, no real engine can achieve Carnot efficiency due to irreversibilities such as friction, heat losses, and non-ideal processes. Real engines always fall short of this theoretical maximum, but it remains our goal to get as close as possible. Heat engines are all around us. Car engines use internal combustion to convert fuel energy into motion. Power plants employ massive steam turbines to generate electricity for millions of homes. Jet engines propel aircraft through the sky using gas turbine technology. Even historical steam locomotives relied on heat engine principles to revolutionize transportation. Each of these applications demonstrates the practical importance of understanding how heat engines convert thermal energy into useful work. Let's recap what we've learned about heat engines. Heat engines are devices that convert thermal energy into useful mechanical work. Their efficiency fundamentally depends on the temperature difference between the hot source and cold sink. The Carnot engine sets the theoretical maximum efficiency that can never be exceeded. In reality, all practical engines have lower efficiency than the Carnot limit due to irreversible processes and energy losses. Understanding these principles helps engineers design better, more efficient engines that power our modern world.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.